Thank you for taking a little bit of time out of your busy lives to come view the demonstration. I'm really excited to show this product to you for a couple different reasons. The absorption factor of the Love Moon Anion napkin, the therapeutic properties of the negative ion strip. I'm eager, so let's get to it. We're going to start off with the packaging here. This is totally recyclable, which is a great feature these days. We're all green conscious. It's sealed twice. And that's really important to know because these are called sanitary napkins, right? So we want our sanitary napkins to remain sanitary. So the first seal here is, of course, the packaging. And then the second one is the napkin itself. It is completely sealed. Unlike the competition, which we'll show you here shortly. I mean, you have to unwrap the napkin completely. So we'll set that here. And I'll just take a leading brand in the United States, very comparable. This is a super. And let's take a look at the size, first of all. Here's the Anion, and there's the leading brand. So right away, when you put a couple of these in your purse, a quarter of your purse is already full. And here's another interesting factor. Though there's a piece of tape on it, it really isn't sealed. So ickies can get in there. And if you're like me, before I was introduced to this napkin, I would take my package, rip it open, pull it out, and toss it under the bathroom sink. So I'm not going to be doing that anymore. So here's a really nice comparison again regarding the size. To me, this feels like an old lumpy mattress. Kelly, you want to go ahead and take a feel of that? And then the Anion napkin is more like a luxury hotel sheet. It's just really nice and smooth. Barbara, if you want to go ahead and feel how smooth that is. And again, you can already see the difference in the thickness of the pad. I'm going to take 50 milliliters. It's just a little bit less than a quarter cup, and saturate both napkins for demonstration purposes. It's kind of almost even balling up. It is absorbing, but the water is almost like rolling off of it too, which is an interesting observation there. And we'll talk more about the packaging here. Again, they're recyclable. The actual napkin is food grade material, so it is biodegradable. And we've got the overnight, the daytime, and look at this. There are 30 panty liners in this package. No way. Yeah. So that's exciting to me. And here's another great visual here. Kelly, you want to hand me the sack there. There are 10 pads in the daytime. So if I take 3 packages and compare it, let's get these out of the way, compare it to the leading brand, that's less than half of the space the leading brand takes up. So just, it's exciting to represent this product for that reason alone, the absorption factor, which we'll show you here in a minute. But I want to talk about the therapeutic properties of the Anion napkin. This here is a negative ion strip. When friction happens with it or it gets moistened, it emits 6,000 negative ions, which have a myriad of health benefits. It kills odor, bacteria, helps with hormone imbalance. It's just a fabulous technology to put in a feminine napkin. I'm going to take a paper towel, just fold it in half, and place it on top of this napkin here. And then take one on top of the Love Moon Anion napkin. And you can see, can you get that on camera? Is that showing? It's pooling up and it's obviously wet. Yeah. And then we're going to do the same thing. I'm actually going to push really hard on the Anion napkin. Flip it over. Nothing. It's completely dry. Want to feel that? And then go ahead and...
There's no wetness at all.
None. And it's such a peace of mind to know that the technology, what that is, it's a gel. The pad is 7 layers. I'm going to go ahead and cut one open here and show you. And each package is clearly demonstrating on the back of it here, describes what the 7 layers are. But you've got this really nice breathable cotton on the top layer here. This is the gel that's absorbing the water. This is the technology. This is the Anion strip. And so this is layer 1, and the second layer is the Anion strip right here. And another thing I've seen on a demonstration is the breathability of the actual pad itself. They put it on a cup, and you could actually see, notice that it was breathing versus the competition where it was fogging up and everything was staying within the cup. So I love the fact that it's breathable, it's comfortable, it's healthy. And one more dramatic thing I want to show you here is I'm going to squeeze this out. So the fluid's been sitting in there now for, I don't know, a couple, 3 minutes, right? Yeah. Now I've obviously opened this up, but I'll take a portion here and just squeeze it. Nothing is coming out of this napkin. Wow. Absolutely love it. I'm excited to represent this product for my business. Wear it, use it, reap the benefits of the negative ion strip, and tell every woman about it because she really needs to at least try the product.